Good morning. Yan, strong, strong, strong. Good job. Good morning. She is now 23 years old, 23 days old. Stretching, stretching, stretching. Yeah. Very strong, very strong, very strong. Ay, labas dila. Ay, gutom na ikaw? You hungry? Ay. Mommy, I'm hungry. Mommy, I'm hungry. Oh, yun no. Ay. Chuku. Hello, baby Jem. Good morning. Ay. Uy.